Hello students, welcome back to our new class. Today we're going to talk about how to ask if there is something or if there are some things. Grammar book, you know that already. We have our grammar book, so please get your grammar book, and if you could open on the page 12. So if you look at page 12, you will see grammar, there's and there are with prepositions of place. And in the box it says, we can use there is and there are to talk about things around us. As an example, there is one window in my room. There are 10 books in my room. There is one fridge in my kitchen. There are 10 cups in my kitchen. So we use there is and there are to express when there is something, just one or more than one, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So as you can see in your book, there is an example, and it says, there's a sharpener. There is a sharpener. And we know that there is just one sharpener. There is just one sharpener. There's a keyboard. There is a keyboard. And we know there is just one keyboard. There is just one keyboard. But when we use two or more, we say there are two sharpeners. There are two sharpeners. There are two sharpeners. There are 3 keyboards. There are 3 keyboards. There are 3 keyboards. So there is a sharpener. There are 2 sharpeners. There are. There's a keyboard. There are 3 keyboards. There are. Let's see this in example. If you look at the pictures here, we can see these objects being somewhere. There's a sharpener on the desk. There's a sharpener on the desk. We know that there is one sharpener and it is on the desk. There are 3 pencils in the pencil case. There are 3 pencils in the pencil case. So now we know that there are 3 pencils that are in the pencil case. Look around your room. Look around your house or condo or backyard or your garden. How many things do you have? How many chairs do you have? How many tables do you have? How many TVs do you have? How many flowers do you have? How many people do you have? If we go to exercise A, we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences on the left side, and on the right side there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of pictures. 5 sets of pictures. So number 1, there are 2 sharpeners. There are 2 sharpeners. Which picture is it? Is it the first, the second, the third, the fourth, or the fifth? It is the second. 1, 2. 2 sharpeners. There are 2 sharpeners. 1, 2. There are 4 chairs there are 4 chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we connect them with a line. There are 4 chairs. Let's see the third sentence. There are 3 keyboards. There are 3 keyboards. Where are the 3 keyboards? They're here. 1, 2, 3. So we connect the line like this. The fourth sentence, there's 1 notebook. There's one notebook. There we go. There is 1 notebook, and we connect it to here. And the last sentence, there's 1 mouse. There is 1 mouse, a computer mouse. There is 1 computer mouse, and we connect it with the line. So this is easy, right? This is very easy. Use your notebook and draw a picture of your room. Draw a picture of your room. How many different things do you have in your room? How many beds do you have? There is 1 bed. There are 2 beds. How many wardrobes do you have? There is 1 wardrobe. There are 2 wardrobes. How many chairs do you have? There are no chairs. There is 1 chair. There are 2 chairs. There are 3 chairs. Do you have anything else? Maybe you have a laundry basket. What is a laundry basket? A laundry basket is a basket where you put your dirty laundry. When your t-shirt smells not good, you take it off and you put it in the laundry basket, and it waits there until it gets washed. Please draw a picture in your notebook and with all of the things that are inside, and write, there are 2 wardrobes in my room. There is 1 bed in my room. There is 1 laundry basket in my room. There are 2 windows in my room. There is 1 door in my room. Now let's move on to the page 13. And look at the exercise B. Look at the exercise B. There is option. There is and there are. There is and there are. And above it you will see these words. And they say 8 sharpeners, a sharpener, a mouse, 10 keyboards, 1 keyboard, and 2 mice. Where does it belong? 8 sharpeners. 8 sharpeners. There is or there are? There are. There are 8 sharpeners. There are 8 sharpeners. How about a sharpener? There is or there are? There is a sharpener. There's a sharpener. How about a mouse? There's a mouse. There is a mouse. There is 1 mouse. 10 keyboards is there are 10 keyboards. There are 10 keyboards. How about 1 keyboard? There is 1 keyboard. There is 1 keyboard. How about 2 mice? There are 2 mice. There are 2 mice. There are 2 mice. Very good. Do you understand? I'm sure you do. Now let's move on. Let's move on and go to exercise C. It says write on or in. On or in. On or in. There is a sharpener. Look at the picture 1. There is a sharpener on the table or in the table? It's on the table. On the table. The sharpener is on the table. The sharpener is on the table. Let's see number 2. Where is the bookcase? There's a bookcase in the classroom. In the classroom. There is a bookcase in the classroom. It's inside the classroom. Where is the keyboard? The keyboard is on the chair. The keyboard is on the chair. Where are the books? On or in? The books are in the cupboard. The books are in the cupboard. And where is the notebook? The notebook is on the desk. The notebook is on the desk. How do we say bon? How do we say on in Thai language? Bon and in nai. So that's the difference. On, bon, in nai. And for our final exercise, let's move on to exercise D. Complete the sentences. Now let's see. We have on, we have in, we have is, we have there, we have are. So sentence number 1. What do you think we should put on an empty line? We should put are. There are 3 pencils on the desk. There are 3 pencils on the desk. And that is a correct answer. What do you think about number 3? There are 4 books in the bookcase. On the bookcase. There are 4 books on the bookcase. There are 4 books on the bookcase. That's number 3. Number 2, we skipped number 2. There are 4 pencils and a sharpener in my pencil case. There are 4 pencils and a sharpener in my pencil case. Number 4, there are 20 chairs in the classroom. There are 20 chairs in the classroom. And number 5, what do you think is the correct answer? There is 1 computer in my classroom. There is 1 computer in the classroom. Now children, please remember, in English, it's different when you have something 1 and when you have something 2, 3, 4, and more. There is for 1. There are is for more. There is, there are. There is, there are. There is a car in my front yard. There are birds in my garden. Always remember to use plural, there is, and singular, there is, and plural, there are. Okay, students. So don't forget to draw a picture of your bedroom, any room you sleep in. Draw all the furniture that is inside and write how many and is it there is and there are. Also, don't forget to do and to finish all the exercises on page 12 and page 13 in your Cool Kids, Smart Start grammar book. All right. Thank you for listening. I will see you again very soon. Good night. Goodbye bye.